Hey finders, and welcome back to Fortune Finds, and welcome to another Fast Fix Friday video where I give you guys one beauty tip in 5 minutes or less. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your lips look huge, juicy, delicious, and just overall kissable. Give us that, juicy big lip vibe without the painful needles, without the hefty price tag. I myself, I do not have any lip filler. These are all natural. However, that's not to say that these lip tips will not work for you. Whether you have very small lips or very big lips, these techniques are going to make them look bigger. If you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell. I would love for you to become a part of my little Fortune Finds family. I'm a certified professional makeup artist, and I love to just upload videos here on YouTube to help make your makeup game that much better. So if that sounds good, make sure you check out my channel, subscribe, give this video a like if you enjoy it. Now you can go ahead and fake your lip size no matter what shade lipstick you're wearing, but I think it's important to master a nude lip first, just because nudes are the most forgiving. So if you make a mistake, it's not going to be as noticeable. So you're going to need a few things for this technique. The nude lipstick of your choice, nude lip liner that is 2 to 3 shades darker than the lipstick, a lighter lipstick, and a lip gloss. So I have my lip liner, my nude lipstick shade, a lighter lipstick shade, and then here is my gloss. Specifics will all be listed down below. Take my lip liner, and it's important to overline the very bottom of your lips and the cupid's bow. You can kind of see I have a natural shadow like right here, so I'm just gonna kind of emphasize that shadow. So I'm gonna take my lip liner, and it's important to have a sharpened lip liner, and I'm just gonna go ahead and emphasize that line right here, right past my natural lip line. So you can see I'm working to make that lower lip a little bit bigger. And again, it's past my lips, so that's actually on my skin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work my way to the inner corner of my lip. So I kind of want this exaggeration to meet my natural lip line in the inner corner, just because that's gonna look the most natural. So I'm gonna go ahead and just follow my lip line. See, I kind of like brought it in to match my natural lip line in the corner. Now, do you see the natural kind of like shadow right above my lips right there? The cupid's bow, so the M that I have, I'm just gonna trace it, but I'm gonna trace it a little bit higher than my actual lip. So I'm gonna go right here. So see, that's right above where my lip is. And I'm kind of just tracing that M right above where my natural lips are, see? And I'm just gonna trace that right above. So you can see we're definitely larger. My lip is not naturally that high. So now I'm gonna do the same thing that I did on the bottom, and I'm gonna draw it in towards the inner corner. You don't wanna draw a straight line because that won't look natural either. You kind of wanna round out the lip to then meet the inner corner. I'm gonna round that to meet the inner corner. Can you see what I did? And there we go. Our lips are lined and they are overdrawn, and it doesn't look too crazy. It looks really good. And the reason why you don't want to overdraw the inner corner, you always want to connect it to the inner corner, is that if you don't, it can kind of look like this. And that just looks like you got a bad lip job. So you always want to connect it. It will make it definitely look a little bit more natural. Now I'm going to take my NARS Anita lipstick, which is my nude lipstick of choice. I'm just going to fill my lips in with this, keeping it inside the lip line, because if I were to put it outside of the lip liner, it would cover the lip liner. I want to keep that gradient effect. We're going to take our lighter lipstick, and I'm just going to pat this in the center of my lips. And again, I'm not putting this over the lip liner. I want the lip liner to stay visible the entire time. Can you see that made the center a little bit brighter, and it kind of just made them look a little bit larger? Take a lip gloss. I'm going to take this and I'm kind of going to trace the upper lip, like right where that M is. You're kind of going to go up. Again, I'm not putting this on the lip liner. I'm keeping it right before the lip liner starts. And I'm kind of pushing the gloss up. Bring light right there, so it's going to make them look plumper. Do the same thing on the bottom. And then I'm going to pat it a little bit in the center of my lips. If you feel like your lip liner got lost throughout the way, you can always go back in with the lip liner and reline your lips, but I think we did a pretty good job of keeping our liner intact today. So that is it. those are my basic tips on how to get the juiciest lips. Guys, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below in the comments section. If you enjoyed today's Fast Fix Friday video, be sure to leave it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see a specific beauty tip from me, leave it down below in the comments section as well. Just let me know if you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear from you guys. And as always, make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell if you have not done so yet. I had a great time as always. I hope that you guys learned a trick or two in today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, Finders.